back to Kitchen Instruments. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a flavor-packed olio using some of the infused oils that we made earlier in the week. And this dish couldn't be simpler. So let's get to it. Okay, so let's take a minute to talk olio. Now, olio, at least in Italy's terms, is traditionally nothing more than a little bit of olive oil that's been flavored with some crushed minced or sliced garlic and the occasional hot pepper flake. Now, I'm going to take my dish a step down the road by enriching it with a little bit of butter and a little bit of that infused basil garlic oil that we made earlier in the week. And this dish is going to be phenomenal. Super simple and super packed with flavor. Trust me. Okay, and as always, if you enjoyed this week's video, please hit that like button and also share it because it really does help this show tremendously by reaching a broader audience. And also, if you're really a fan of the show, feel free to subscribe, as it will send you notifications each time a new show comes out, which is usually about 2 or 3 times a week. Okay, so who's ready to make the easiest pasta dish ever? Yeah, me too. Let's do this. And that's it. That's how to make an olio. Isn't it crazy how simple that is? But yet so flavorful. Unbelievable. Those Italians, they know their stuff. Well, that's all I have time for this week. Stop by next week where we're going to be making mussels Milanese. How tough is that to say? It's pretty tough. You don't want to miss it. I'll see you next week.